Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Gantt chart in Confluence, and for this you'll actually need an app from the marketplace. Don't worry, you can get it for free. You come in the left hand panel, you click on apps, click on explore more apps, and you can just search up right here for the app called Gantt chart, okay, planner. That is the name of the app, and I'll show you what it looks like. This one right here by Ricksoft Incorporated. As you can see, click on it, and then you just come here and click on install. Once this loads up, all right, click on try it free, and then we need to select a site for this, and then we'll do the installation process. Okay, so here we have this site. The app will be used on Confluence. Click on review, and now you can start our trial. There you go. Agree, and now you can see it is being added. It is being installed for our Confluence. As you can see, you can actually use this to create a different Gantt chart visualizations, and I'll show you how to go about it. It has been added to our instance as well, and it is ready for use. So now you can go to any page. Let's close this. Let's go ahead and click on design. This will be our space. And then let's click here. We'll use our first page. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and press / and then type in Gantt. And then you can click here on Gantt chart planner. So you click on this and it will open up this interface right here where we can create a Gantt chart. As you can see, now this is loading up. All right, so now we need to create records, right? So the way you do this, you click on this plus icon, you create records tasks, right? So here you go. You can rename this anything you want. Let's just name this thumbnails, okay, or just research. And let's go ahead and add more tasks. You can click on another one and let's do research, okay? And you can, of course, set the duration. We'll get into that. Let me show you something. So you can go ahead and indent selected tasks. So this one right here, for example. So if I select both of these tasks, I hold control while clicking on them, right? I've selected both of them, and then you can click on indent selected tasks. Now this one gets indented, right? So that is one task, and that is a subtask for that. And you can edit the colors as well. You can click here to edit it, right? You can click from here. You can right click as well and click on edit, or you can click on this icon. And then you come here, you just choose your color, whatever color you like. Just choose this one. Okay, you can save this and you can set start and finish dates. Okay, you can choose your predecessors, successors, advanced options here. As you can see, notes, right? You save whatever you want. We have changed the color. Let me add a few more tasks. And you can also set durations. So right here we have this one's 1 day. And if you don't see the durations, for example, start dates, end dates, what you can do is you can come here and right click on any of these columns, hover over columns, click on this finish one, and now we get the finish dates. So you can come here and change the finish dates as well. Okay, you can click on this calendar icon. Let's do the 10th for this one. As you can see, the length has increased. Of course, you can easily set, start points, end points for these, right? You just select these. So you basically come here, you drag points to this one. So this one will be dependent on that, and keep moving to these pointers, right? You can start from here as well. So let's make sure we do it like that. And once you're happy with everything, right? Let me go ahead and drag these out even more. All right, so I just changed the finish date for that. And once you're happy with everything, right, you can just click here on save. There you go. You can add a comment if you want. And let's go ahead and save this. It is now currently being saved, as you can see. And now it will be available for us to use. So we can close this now. Let's go ahead and close that. And there you go. As you can see, we have our Gantt chart right here. And that is how to create a Gantt chart in Confluence.